Welcome to Agri Gadget Picks. Upgrade your garden setup with a practical barrier that's easy to install and move anytime. Best Portable Garden Fence. Offers reliable protection for plants, defines spaces neatly, and blends with your outdoor style while staying durable through changing weather conditions and everyday use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. CLEASO Decorative Garden Fence. The CLEASO Decorative Garden Fence stands out as a practical and stylish solution for anyone looking to define their outdoor space without dealing with complicated installation. Its tool-free setup is one of its biggest strengths, allowing even beginners to assemble the fence quickly and efficiently. The panels connect smoothly, making it easy to create a secure boundary in just minutes, whether for a garden bed, patio edge, or backyard section. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, this fence is designed to handle outdoor conditions without rusting or deteriorating, giving it long-term reliability. The modular design adds a lot of flexibility, letting users expand or reshape the layout to suit different spaces and needs. Beyond functionality, the decorative pattern enhances the visual appeal of any garden, adding a touch of charm while still serving as a protective barrier. It works well for keeping pets contained or preventing small animals from entering planted areas. Overall, the CLEASO fence combines convenience, durability, and aesthetic value, making it a solid choice for both practical use and outdoor decoration. Number 2. NANYEZH Rustproof Garden Fence. The NANYEZH Rustproof Garden Fence offers a well-rounded solution for those who need both functionality and convenience in an outdoor barrier. One of its standout features is the integrated gate, which makes accessing your garden area much easier compared to traditional fencing that requires removal for entry. This thoughtful addition adds everyday practicality, especially for frequently used spaces. Constructed from heavy-duty metal, the fence is built to resist rust, warping, and fading, making it a reliable alternative to wooden fencing that typically requires regular maintenance. Its sturdy structure helps keep out small animals like rabbits while also providing a safe and closed space for pets. The large panel coverage ensures that even bigger areas can be secured without needing multiple separate systems, and the adjustable design allows for various shapes and layouts. Installation is straightforward, with a rod-connected system that simplifies assembly. Visually, the classic design blends well into different garden styles without looking intrusive.
Number 3. FXW Metal Garden Fence. The FXW Metal Garden Fence is designed with both safety and durability in mind, making it particularly suitable for households with pets. Its construction has been tested for safety standards, and features like rounded ball tips on the stakes help reduce the risk of accidental injury. The panels are made from sturdy, welded metal that provides a strong barrier while still maintaining a clean and open look that doesn't block the view of your garden. Assembly is simple and intuitive, requiring users to align and connect panels using metal stakes, which also contribute to the fence's overall stability. The design allows for easy rearrangement, so you can adapt the layout depending on your needs, whether you're protecting plants or creating a designated pet area. The fence performs well as a no-dig solution, keeping out small animals without damaging the ground. It also proves useful in different scenarios, including seasonal setups, like protecting holiday decorations. Number 4. Bilibompa Border Garden Fence. The Bilibompa Border Garden Fence is a strong contender for those looking to protect their garden while maintaining a decorative touch. Its taller panel height provides an effective barrier against small animals, such as rabbits and dogs, making it ideal for safeguarding flower beds and vegetable patches. The no-dig installation process is especially convenient, allowing users to simply insert the stakes into the ground and connect the panels without the need for tools or extensive preparation. This ease of setup is complemented by its expandable design, which lets you customize the fence layout to match your garden's shape. Built from high-quality metal with a rust-proof coating, the fence is designed to withstand outdoor conditions without bending or corroding over time. The sturdy construction ensures it remains firmly in place, even with regular use. In addition to its protective function, the arch design adds an elegant visual element that enhances the overall look of the space.
Number 5. ADAVIN Yard Garden Fence. The ADAVIN Yard Garden Fence offers a user-friendly and flexible approach to garden protection, particularly with its collapsible design that simplifies both installation and storage. Each panel is designed to unfold easily, eliminating the need for complicated assembly steps and reducing the risk of wear during setup. This feature is especially helpful for users who want a quick solution without dealing with tools or hardware. The fence panels connect securely using hooks, providing better stability compared to traditional snap-based systems. Its customizable layout allows you to arrange the panels into various shapes, making it suitable for different garden sizes and configurations. Made from rust-resistant metal, the fence is built to handle outdoor conditions without deteriorating, ensuring long-term performance. The arch design adds a classic and decorative touch, blending well with garden landscapes while still serving as a protective barrier against small animals. Lightweight yet sturdy, it can also be moved or adjusted as needed. Choosing the right option ensures your garden stays protected, organized, and visually appealing throughout every season. Focus on durability, ease of setup, and flexibility to match your needs. With the right pick, maintaining boundaries becomes effortless, helping your outdoor space stay neat, secure, and ready to enjoy anytime.